I would say what's going to be interesting to see in technology and tickets in the next few years is the battle between MagStripe entrance, digital delivery versus stored value, which is pretty prevalent in Europe. The ability to have a card that's branded as your team is branded, and using that as another revenue channel for the teams. I think the other thing we see in the ticket market, it kind of trails the tech market. And we see Facebook, and Facebook is starting to try to power this email chain. And the reason they're doing it is they're trying to close email. They're trying to make it so that the only people who have the ability to contact you are the people that you want to allow to contact you anymore. And I know that email marketing right now for teams and brokers is a very big part of their channel. There's a lot of very intelligent people with a whole lot of money in the Silicon Valley doing everything they can to eliminate that channel, making sure that everything is now social. I think the other thing we need to see, which will be very interesting to see, is how the teams leverage CRM tools. So CRM is very sophisticated, but on the team level, it's not. Many teams we talk to don't even use a CRM tool. They don't know who's, where, why, and how. And I think the question is going to become, as the consumer continues to pull back and say, I don't want to be contacted anymore, I don't want 50 emails a day. Well, then you have to give them something that's compelling to look at. And I think that really starts at the primary provider. The way that they start to leverage a CRM, they start to understand who is where, why, and how, and then market to that person. And I think those are the things that are really going to drive tickets in the next few years.